Ready to transform your bland text messages into captivating visual stories with Aisensy. First, navigate to the Chatbots or Flow Builder section within your Aisensy dashboard, where you create and manage your automated conversations. Open the specific chatbot flow or message where you want to add an image. You'll typically see a text input area where you compose your messages. Look for an add media or image icon, often represented by a paperclip or a picture frame. Click on this icon to initiate the image upload process. A dialog box will appear, giving you the option to upload an image from your computer or paste a direct image URL. Select the method that works best for you. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see a preview of it within the message composition area, confirming that it has been successfully added. Add a relevant caption or accompanying text to provide context for the image, enhancing its impact and clarity. Finally, save or publish your updated chatbot flow to make the image message live and accessible to your users, and that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Aisensy message, creating a more engaging and informative user experience.